Education is a foundation of progress. It empowers individuals with knowledge, its character, and it gives us with the skill needed to contribute meaningfully to society and nation building. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Grabe ang mga cheerer. Pero murag ang number 1 fan, kaya murag si SK yun. 1 down, 4 more to go. Let us now call Kobe Oclaret right on the hot seat.
You've been so patient, and I've been waiting.
Ayaw gabi Kobe. Kasi kibati ni mo ron.
Kulba gamay?
Oh, akong balikan. Basta kulbaan galing ka, lantawa siya. Gataw, joking ha, para dili kayo ka makulbaan. Imong kaganina, ang imong pangandoy, mahimong pulis. Pero nagsuot lagi ka sa tsapa ni Pacman. Oh no! Kasi nag-boxer ka. Alright, let the ball
Suavemente.
come here and swing. Draw. The topic for Kobe. And you have chosen cyberbullying. Again, your topic is cyberbullying.
Thank you for the hashtag, sir. Good evening, everyone. When we talk about hashtag cyberbullying, we mean standing up for others. My friend, Von Courage, when our community rallied online, it's not just stopping hurt, but filling digital spaces with kindness. Every supporting message becomes a shield against pain. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kobe. Isog Jogayno, mo rin ang iyong pangandoy mahimong pulis. 2 down, 3 more to go. Let us now give the spotlight to Mark Steve Molo.
I know you're greedy, and I can say that you've been so patient, and I've been waiting for you.
Good evening, Mark Steve. How are you right now? How do you feel?
I'm feeling fine this evening.
Are you ready for your question?
Very ready.
Wow, that's a powerful statement. Please pick a roll paper from our bowl.
Suavemente.
And you picked the topic youth empowerment. Again, your topic is youth empowerment. Good luck.
Hashtag Youth Empowerment. Youth empowerment is essential for building a stronger society because without it, young people lack confidence, skills, and chances to contribute. Supporting the youth helps in developing leaderships, encouraging involvement, and inspiring positive actions. So I am standing here in front of you all to be an advocate for us to support programs and opportunities that guides and uplift our youth. Because I believe that by investing in our youth today leads to the stronger societies and for the future leaders, change makers, and innovators of tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3. Wow. I know you're already forming conclusion, but it's so early because we still have 2 more to go. And let us now have candidate number 4, Mr. Raylan Renido.
You've been so patient, and I've been waiting for you to take it, and you can give it.
Mahing gabi, Raylan. According sa inyong biodata, ikaw mo'y kinabataan. Kung sa imong gibati, nga although ikaw kinabataan, pero na-appeal yun ka sa Mr. Ginuman.
Kulba gamay?
Kakulbaan siya gamay. Relax lang. Smile. And please pick a roll paper.
Suavemente.
All right. Wow. You picked tree planting. Your topic is tree planting.
Hashtag tree planting. For me, Tree planting is a simple yet powerful action that helps us protect the environment. As a youth, we should join or initiate tree planting activities to help lessen disaster that could possibly happen. Thank you.